2020 year model Peterbilt 567 tri-axle roll-off truck, X15 Cummins turbo diesel, heating automatic transmission, 274,000 miles on this truck, 10,500 hours, Pioneer rack and pinion tarp system, FITZGERALD bed and hoist, 11R 24/5 big rubber on the back. It's a lot of truck right here, y'all. If you hadn't priced a new one, this truck right here is probably going to come out around 270, 260, 270 plus that FET 12%, y'all. Air equalizer system on your tires. Got the right kind of tarp on it. It's a double frame truck, y'all. Walking beam suspension. Right kind in every way. Full locking rears. Got the big heavy fronts. Dual steering boxes. 425 tires up front. A lot of truck right here, y'all. Everything works just like it's supposed to. Air seats, air ride seat, cold air. There's your full locking diffs, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power everything. Big CUMMINS. .505 horsepower. Right kind of truck right here, y'all. Truck is located right here at 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. If you'd like to see it. Thank y'all for watching our videos. We look forward to you coming to see us.